A mind map is an easy way to brainstorm thoughts organically without worrying about order and structure. It allows you to visually structure your ideas to help with analysis and recall. A mind map is a diagram for representing tasks, words, concepts, or items linked to and arranged around a central concept or subject using a nonlinear graphical layout that allows the user to build an intuitive framework around a central concept. A mind map can turn a long list of monotonous information into a colorful, memorable, and highly organized diagram that works in line with your brain's natural way of doing things. A mind map can be used as a simplified content management system, CMS. It allows you to store all your data in a centralized location to stay organized. With the various mind mapping software programs out today, you can attach files to different branches for even more flexibility. You can also change to various different views in order to find one that suits you best.
This clip, titled How to Mind Map, is about the basics to get you started with mind mapping, and it's brought to you by McGrosey Consultants. Mind mapping is a very visual way to capture your thoughts and ideas so that you can easily plan things, remember things, and also take notes. It uses lots of color and keywords so your brain is attracted to it. Mind mapping was invented by Tony Buzan, and the term mind map is a registered trademark of the Buzan organization. Mind mapping is used all over the world in both studying and business situations. To start your mind map, begin by putting an image in the center of the page. This way it's really easy to tell what the subject of the mind map is. In this case, I'm making a mind map about a lady called Chrissy, so I've drawn a picture of her in the middle of the page to start. The next step is to add main branches which organize your ideas about your subject. So I'm doing a mind map about Chrissy and Chrissy's life. So the key branches I've used about her life are her children, her job, her husband Rich, her hobbies, where she lives, and then finally the last branch in the top left corner is her age. Now it's time to add more detail by adding smaller branches, keywords, pictures, and always using color. So if you look in the top right hand corner of the mind map, you can see more detail about the children, and going around clockwise you can see more branches added for each category. I'm not going to talk you through all of the details of this mind map, but what I want you to notice is that I've used pictures and keywords throughout, as well as lots of color. Notice that the details are written on top of small branches which are connected back to the main branches, so that there are lines and curves that flow through, connecting all of the details together. I've used single keywords, and there are no cases where I've used any long sentences or long phrases. It's much easier for the brain to remember single keywords, especially when you use lots of color and pictures. So to summarize, begin with a central image. Use color throughout the whole mind map. Print the single keywords on the branches and make sure those branches are curvy because it looks more interesting and also connected to each other. Also use pictures throughout the whole mind map.